Okay, so you detail cars, you are good at it, maybe great at it, but here is the problem. Your phone isn't ringing enough. You post on Instagram maybe, you ask for referrals, maybe you are on Google, and some weeks are good, but other weeks, nothing. Just you, waiting for someone to find you. What if you could turn that around? Like, actually control how many clients you get every week. That's what Facebook ads do. 5 to 15 bucks per lead. And detailing clients come back every month. One client can be worth 2 grand a year from a $10 ad. So let me show you exactly how to set this up. So step by step, let's go. So why Facebook for detailing? 3 reasons, and the first one is the biggest. Your work is insanely visual. A dirty car next to a clean car, nobody scrolls past that. It's like those satisfying cleaning videos that get millions of views, except this time it's your work. And there is a book now button at the bottom. Second thing, people come back. This isn't a one-time thing. Most clients book monthly, sometimes bi-monthly. One client paying you 150 a month, that's 1,800 a year from one person. And third, nobody's doing this. Like almost nobody in detailing runs actual Facebook lead generation campaigns. They post on Instagram, but a real ad with a real offer and a real form, you will be the only one probably in your area doing it. So, okay, now here is where most detailers mess up. They run an ad that says professional detailing services, book now, and then wonder why nobody clicks. Like, what are you offering? Why should I click? Give me a reason. So here is what actually works. First detail, 30% off, book in 60 seconds. So this is simple, clear discount, easy next step, and gets them in the door. And after they see your work, they are hooked. Second one, interior plus exterior, $99, regular price $149. This week only. So this is specific, has a price, has a deadline, and people know exactly what they are getting. Okay, and the third one, this is once for the high ticket guys. Free ceramic coating consultation. See if your car qualifies. Ceramic is 500 to 2,000 bucks per job. The word qualifies makes people go. Do I qualify? For example. So let me find it out. So curiosity is very powerful. All right. The ads. So 3 types. All of them, but one is king. So the satisfying detail video. You already know what I'm talking about. Dirty seats getting steam cleaned. Swirl marks disappearing under the polisher. A black car going from dusty to mirror finish. 30 seconds, speed it up, add some music, offer at the end, and this is your best ad. I guarantee it. So film every single job. Okay, the next one, before and after split. This is that simple. Left side, trashed interior. Right side, brand new looking interior, and big text on top. Same car, one detail. That's it. So no video needed. Works great as a static image. Okay, the next one, you working on a car. So grab your phone, prop it up while you are working, talk for 15 seconds, for example. Hey, I'm Mike, just finished this Tesla, full interior and exterior. Your car needs some love. First detail is 30% off. Link is below. And done. Real person, real car, and people trust that way more than any graphic you can make. So run R3 at the same time and after that kill the weakest. Only every couple weeks, and add new ones. Okay, so let's move to campaign setup. So setup is stupid simple. Objective, leads, not traffic, not traffic, not reach, just leads. Budget, 10 to 25 bucks a day. A detailed job is $100 to $300. You need one client from every 10 to 20 leads to be very profitable. The math works. So targeting 10 to 15 miles around you. Age 25 to 55 usually. No interest, broad. Everyone has a car that's dirty right now. One ad set, all your creatives inside it. Let Facebook figure out which one works best. And yeah, the next one, lead form. Keep it short. Name, phone, and for example, one question: what does your car need? For example, you can have for options: interior, exterior, full detail, ceramic coating, or other. So also the best if you will add for thank you screen, we will text you a quote within 1 hour. The tiling clients want the price very fast, so give it to them. Okay, now the part that actually makes you money long term. So text them within 5 minutes. Not a call, a text. Something like, hey Mike, full detail on your Model 3, normally $149. First time price is $104 this week or next. See what you did there? You already gave the price because you asked what they need in the form. So no back and forth, no phone tag, just here is the price, when do you want it? Most people book right there, but here is where it gets really good. After you finish the detail and it looks amazing, you say, hey, want your car looking like this every month? I do a monthly plan for $129. I will just put you on the schedule so you don't have to think about it. So one-time client is 104, done and gone. Maybe they come back, maybe not. Monthly client, $129 times 12 months, that's $1,549 a year from $10 lead. So that's the game. Facebook brings them in, the membership keeps them forever. Okay, so let's make a quick recap. So first one, strong first time offer, 30% off, bundle deal or ceramic consultation. Number two, 3 ads, satisfying video before, after you working on a car. Third, simple campaign. Leads, 10 to 25 bucks a day, tight radius. Number 4, text first with price. No phone tag. This is quick and easy. Number 5, offer the monthly membership. This is the most important. And turn $10 lead into 1,500 a year. Okay. So what's your most popular service right now? Let me know in the comments. And yeah, subscribe for more paid ads tips and more about marketing agency world. So yeah, I'm Jacob from Lemon Agency, and see you in the next one.